Rolling.
I'm Rickey Hoover. I sing for Suffokate, and you're watching SAC Extreme TV.
Perfect.
Every time we play here, it feels like home, so thank you so much, guys, for that. Real quick before we play the next song, I just want to make a quick announcement. Unfortunately, this is our guitar player Tesoro's last tour with the band. He's going back to school. So real quick, everybody make some noise for him. Come on. Very sad to see him go. But, you know, we gotta keep doing what we do.
Fuck school, man. Come on, dude.
I know, right? School's for losers, right? No, I'm just kidding. This next song's an old one. This goes out to all of our friends and family that are at this show tonight, and anybody who has our first CD. This one's called Slaughter Your Enemy, so fucking do it! these great people. Thank you so much, guys. This next one is Never Falling.
Make sure you check out the next video, motherfuckers.
Don't change the channel, nigga.
Oh shit. Where the weed at, nigga? Nigga, where the weed at?
I'm at the Boardwalk, of course, you know that. And I'm getting my drumstick signed, because this is a drummer, this is Shorty. The fucking drummer of Nightmare in the fucking Twilight.
That's right.
That's right. And he just wrote this drumstick. Keep going. Make it
Shattered
nice
it.
buddy.
Again. Yeah, I fucked
You can't
up.
spell your own band.
I can't read good. That's me. That's it. Drums. That's what you should be playing. Straight up. That's what you should be playing.
Thanks, bro. See, I get a lot of love from my friends, man.
That's right. That's right. Next show, despite my comment, I'm probably gonna come up with this three. This motherfucker gonna be a guest list.
I'm on the guest list, nigga. I don't pay. I don't stand in line. What else do I got right there?
I don't know.
I'll take it home right now. You know what I'm saying?
We don't take EBT anymore.
What if it's cash? EBT cash. Don't make me
Cash aid. Cash aid.
Don't make me pull out my card.
Hey, food is food. If I'm hungry, I'll pull it out. I got about $80 on my EBT card. I'm about to go get me some crack. No, I'm playing. Damn, I went crazy right there for a sec. Sorry, it brought me back to the dead.
Start. See that? That's Skata-Mic shit right there. You can only get that if you fucking got backstage passes. Tell me who you are.
I'm fucking Dylan. I'm the dopest motherfucker around.
He's from Elk Grove, and I'm Skata-Mic, and you're watching Sack and Streets. We are at the Boardwalk.
Watching Suffokate, but you're outside.
And Nightmare in the fucking Twilight.
Who already played. And Ghost Inside's up next.